Welcome to Rod and Shelley Millen's Leadfoot Festival for 2020. Here at Haltech, we decided to go and check out some of the cars and the people that race up their driveway located in the beautiful Haltech, Coromandel, New Zealand. From a 100-year-old fire engine to a Class 1 off-roader, Rod and Shelley handpicked the drivers and the cars that race up this hill climb. So at Haltech, we thought we'd go along and see what some of our customers are up to and see how they compete.
Out of it. Yep. There we go, trying to attack car. This is pretty quick. This could make the top 10. 54
Now, I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better the future is now, not backing down, 'cause the future is now, not backing down, 'cause the future is now, not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
That was